Guys, this is Harleen and today I'm going to teach you that how to make granola bars, breakfast bars, post-workout bars or healthy bars at home. And it is a very nutritious bar, so I think anybody in your family can try this. Your kids can have it, you can have it. In case you are into workouts, then you can add some special ingredients and you can have it. So we'll start. I'll show you what kind of granola bars we are making and what are the ingredients for this. Alright, but before that, do subscribe and like my channel. Here are the ingredients for my protein bar, and I'm going to use here, this is jaggery which I need to melt. Okay, these are 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, watermelon seeds, and 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds. This is peanut butter. This is dates, so again I need to melt this. These are salted peanuts. In case you are using plain peanuts, then you can add a salt in your protein bar. A pinch of salt is enough. These are raisins, almonds, and other than this you can even add walnuts in this. Alright, so this is oats, rolled oats. Even we can roast peanuts. Alright. I've taken here 1 nutmeg and dalchini. So again we need to crush it in the blender and use it. We need 2 tablespoons honey also in this. So now I will tell you how to make our protein bar. These are oats. So we need to roast this, and we need to roast everything. All the dry fruits, almonds, and all the nuts, all the seeds. Here we have to roast everything, dry roast everything. So I'm adding my oats and we will dry roast it. Okay, so no need to add any oil or anything. Just roast. Alright, and these granola bars I'm making are no bake granola bars, and very easy and quick healthy recipe, and you can see what kind of nutrients it has. Now we add peanuts, salted peanuts I'm using, and almonds to this. Alright, roast them for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm putting little milk, my dates, and my jaggery in this. So these are the sweeteners which we are using in this. Alright, and even the jaggery will let us hold the bar. Alright, so we need to melt this. If you want, you can add pour a little more milk to this. While guys, my dates and jaggery is melting, I have crushed this oats, peanuts, and almonds. So guys, till the time we can add all our seeds and raisins and peanut butter. So we are not adding any sugar, but we are adding honey. This is our mixture, and this is the paste of dates and jaggery. So we pour this. Some honey. Alright, so we mix this well. And you need to mix it with your hand. and this is a hot mixture. So you can add this nutmeg and cinnamon powder and mix it really well. Very healthy bars. Guys, I've taken this plate for no baked granola bars and I have greased it with some ghee, and now I'm going to put this in the plate. Alright, and you need to press it. Alright. And you need to press it evenly. And guys, after 2 hours of refrigeration, your protein bars are ready. So enjoy your healthy meal.